Learning Analytics in Moodle 3.7. In Moodle 3.7 you can create, delete, import and export models. A new model, targets and time-splitting methods are available. The registration page has analytics usage data and there is a new site information page. Here on the Analytics Models page we see a new model, Upcoming Activities Due. And the new model drop-down gives our administrator 3 options. She can restore any deleted default models, or she can import a model. This can be a model trained by someone else, and when she imports a model with weights, she can evaluate it using the data available on her site. When she goes to create a new model, there are new targets available for students at risk of not achieving competencies, of not meeting the course completion conditions, and of not getting the minimum grade to pass. There are also new time-splitting methods, upcoming 3 days, fortnight or week, meaning our administrator can create models easily without requiring coding skills. She can also export the model and include just the model definition or the model weights and export the training data. Now, when you register your site, Learning Analytics data will be included. And you can also add site metadata to support Learning Analytics from a new Site Information page. To summarize, major new features enhance the usability of Learning Analytics.